Thinking of choosing between Airtable and Excel? Whether you're building a project tracker or managing complex data, picking the right tool matters. So let us compare them both. Firstly, core purpose. Excel is a classic spreadsheet tool. It's designed for number crunching, calculations, and powerful formulas. Airtable, on the other hand, is a spreadsheet database hybrid. It brings the flexibility of Excel but adds powerful database features like linking records and multiple views. If you need advanced math, go Excel. If you need a relational database with a visual interface, Airtable wins. So now, interface and ease of use. Airtable is clean, colorful, and beginner-friendly. It lets you switch between grid, Kanban, calendar, and gallery views instantly. Excel's interface is more traditional and better suited for detailed analysis and formula-heavy work. For modern project management or collaboration, Airtable feels more intuitive. But for raw data and deep analysis, Excel still reigns. Now, collaboration and automation, Airtable shines. In team environments, real-time collaboration, commenting, and automation tools are built in. You can even build custom workflows without coding. Excel now offers cloud collaboration via OneDrive and Excel for the web, but it's still not as smooth or dynamic as Airtable when it comes to real-time multi-user tasks. Now, let us talk about the plans and pricing as well. So Airtable integrates easily with tools like Slack, Zapier, and Google Workspace. Excel also offers integrations, especially in Microsoft 365, but is more siloed if you're not fully in the Microsoft ecosystem. Airtable's free plan is generous for small teams. Excel requires a Microsoft 365 subscription for full features. So choose Excel if your focus is on formulas, data analysis, and complex spreadsheets, and Airtable if you want a flexible, collaborative platform to organize projects. So guys, let me know in the comments below which one suits you better, and if you found this comparison helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns.